DeLillo Chevrolet has been family-owned and operated since 1962. We've been delivering new and used vehicles using this successful hometown family service because we know it works. In a world full of megastores, DeLillo wants to keep your sales and service experience simple. There are no high-pressure tactics here.
Presenting the 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, Owner Care puts no worries on a whole new level, featuring the new exclusive 2-year 30,000-mile standard CPO maintenance plan, a 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and a 5-year 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty on this certified pre-owned vehicle. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. An included Carfax vehicle history report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
You will notice that the same personnel work in our dealership year after year after year. It's very rare if we need to place an ad to replace one of our employees. So come on down and see why we are labeled the nicest people in town.